everyone, this is Amy, your e-commerce growth expert, and I'm here to help you get the most out of your Shopify store. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a favicon to your Shopify store. Favicon is a small icon that represents your website. It's what appears in the browser tab when someone visits your store. It should be a simple and recognizable version of your logo or brand icon. Since we are clear on what a favicon is, let's add one to our Shopify store. First things first, you need to log into your Shopify admin. Now in your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then click on Themes. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your store's appearance. Next, find the theme that you want to edit and click on Customize. This will open the theme editor where you can make all sorts of changes to your store. In the theme editor, look for the Theme Settings option. We are using Dawn theme and favicon can be customized by clicking on the Logo section. Now you'll see another section called Favicon Image. In the Favicon Image section, click on Select Image. You can choose an image from your library or upload a new one. The ideal size for a favicon is 32 by 32 pixels, but Shopify will resize it for you if needed. Pro tip: make sure your favicon looks good at a small size and easily recognizable. Simple designs work best. After you've selected your favicon, don't forget to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Shopify store. It's a small detail, but it adds a touch of professionalism and makes your store stand out in the browser. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Happy selling!